How to add Fortnite to Steam library. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding Fortnite to your Steam library. While Fortnite is primarily available through the Epic Game Store, adding it to Steam allows for easier access and organization of your games. Follow the steps to integrate Fortnite into your Steam library seamlessly. So let's get started. So first, open a Steam app and log in your account. Like mine is already logged in so that we can go to the next step. While we are in the Steam app, click the Library tab beside the Store tab, which is where you are right now. From here, there is an Add a Game button at the bottom left of the Steam app screen. So click it. The menu appears. Just click Add a non-Steam game since Fortnite is not a Steam license. A new windows appear where you can add a non-Steam game. From here, just find the Fortnite on the list. If it is not on the list, click the Browse button to browse the game. From here, if your Fortnite shortcut is on the desktop, let's go to the desktop folder since most gamers put their shortcut games on desktop or wherever you put the Fortnite shortcut. Since I don't have a Fortnite, I just choose a random app so that I can guide you and think of it as a Fortnite shortcut. For example, I choose this app, so all you have to do is right-click the Fortnite app. The menu appears. Just click the Open File Location tab to directly go to the main game folder. From here, just click the Fortnite application. After that, click Open. After you added the Fortnite app on the list, make sure that app is checked. If it is, click the Add Selected Programs button to add it to your Steam library. You have successfully added Fortnite to your Steam library, making it more accessible. This integration allows you to launch Fortnite from your Steam client while keeping track of your gaming library in one place. For further enhancements, consider exploring Steam's features like achievements and community guides. Happy gaming!